Did you know you shine and I'm falling for it?
I think that's how a Corvette is supposed to sound like. Let me know what you think. Do you like this or the GT3 RS? Interesting. Yeah. Are we rolling? All right, cool. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on yet another one of our videos. We're so happy to take you on another shop vlog of what we're working on this week. So behind me, we have a brand new Porsche Boxster GTS. So this one is really nice. I mean, the blue color is awesome. Drop top as well. So customer just picked it up, waited a little bit for all the snow to go away. Now finally got it over to us. So what we're gonna be doing with this one is full front end paint protection film, rocker panel kit, ceramic coating the wheels, ceramic coating the whole body, including the fabric top here as well. So that'll be covered and protected. And yeah, we're gonna get it delivered. Another thing, we're working on Tony's Corvette, so he dropped that one off for us for a little bit of work, doing a Borla exhaust on that one. While we're waiting on a few parts, Mike decided to do a quick brake job. Actually, that is my mom's car, so we're just trying to help her out. Aww. But we'll get that taken care of, and we have a couple more vehicles coming in, along with a very special Porsche GT3 RS. So we're gonna shoot over to the location, same place that we were at before when we worked on the ST. But anyways, enjoy the video. We'll tune back in here shortly. All right, we got our friend of ours drop by really quick. This was not according to plan or schedule, but he was in the area to drop by to install a windshield protection film on his GT3 RS. By the way, if you saw this one is super pro charged. One of how many in the country that are pro charged?
6 or 7.
One of 6 or 7. It runs a supercharger on a GT3 RS. That is wild.
That's wild.
Let me know in the comments down below. Should these stay naturally aspirated, or was going with a supercharger great idea? I think it was an awesome idea. So once again, we're just installing XPEL windshield film. This will protect the windshield from getting sandblasted and chewed up. We had film installed on this one previously, but it did take abuse. So we removed it, get fresh film on here, go out and enjoy the drives. I wonder how it's going to compare with the R1 Motorsports exhaust that we're going to do on the other GT3 RS that's coming in this Saturday. Whoops, did I just say that?
Spoiler alert!
But anyways, anyways, a quick update. So I don't want to say welcome back because it's the same video, but doing pretty darn good on this one. Everything is just about done. I just have the front bumper left to wrap. We're gonna look over the rest of the vehicle and get it prepped for ceramic coating. You can hear Mike wrenching away on the C7 Corvette. So exhaust work on that one. Tony also asked us to do spark plugs to lower it as well. So apparently the factory Corvettes, you can lower them by just adjusting some of the bolts. So that's what we're gonna do for him as well. But anyways, we have another Porsche coming in today for some work. And like I said, we're going to work on a GT3 RS as well. Can't wait to show you that one. Pretty much a decent week. A couple of Teslas coming in on Friday as well for full fronts and ceramic coating. We'll knock those out as well. But yeah, pretty excited. I don't know what else to say. Exhaust all finished up, Borla system on the C7 Vet, so I think Tony's gonna like it a lot. Let's do we already had taken the vehicle out. Mike went out, drove the vehicle around, make sure that there's no rattles or any leaks. So it came out phenomenal. Let's go ahead, start it up. I think that's how a Corvette is supposed to sound like. None of that muffled down quiet stuff. So that pretty much wraps it up with the Corvette. We have Nick cleaning the interior up. We just gave it a nice bath. So doing finishing touches on it. Last final detail. Now let's jump over to the GTS. The vehicle, we got to finish up that one. Make sure it's all buttoned up and ready for delivery for the customer.
At the end of the day, the day got to end. I seen me through the process. I don't really want no problems. Niggas ain't got no merit. Niggas ain't got no posture.
Make sure you follow him on social media.
GS Photography on Instagram.
Nice.
I'll send you to.
Just like dub over me.
Seems like we're all over the place with this vlog. We go from working on a Porsche, taking pictures and videos of the MA, working on a few other things, and now we're heading out to our client's place. Back where we worked on the ST, if you've seen that video, he just picked up a GT3 RS. He said it's a bespoke vinyl wrap on it from Porsche themselves. He wanted us to ceramic coat it to make it a lot easier to keep clean. It's in a satin finish. We're gonna shoot over the mountain and show you what this vehicle is all about. Well, here we are. Made it to the garage. This beautiful, beautiful GT3 RS. In pictures, I didn't know how they were gonna do this, but it looks like all this is printed. So the transition's over there. We're gonna be removing these here. So these will come off. Gonna clean up the whole car. It's a little bit of dirt, not too bad. So we don't have a whole lot of time. Gotta knock this one out and head on back to the shop as we gotta finalize a few jobs there and make sure that they leave on time. Let me know what you think. Do you like this or the GT2 RS? This one looks so much wider. Have you noticed when they're like side by side? This one's is definitely noticeably wider. I still like the 2RS though, with the red interior. It's very nice. So So doing some panel prep first. Degrease the vinyl, the surface, make sure it's all cleaned up, so that way the coating can bond properly. There you go, XPEL satin coating. So this works very, very well with Stealth PPF and also works very well with vinyl. I know I'm supposed to wear gloves, and that's the one thing I forgot. I forgot to grab the gloves. First initial prime, and then we'll go through and start applying. Set with this one, so we're gonna go ahead and park back, shoot on over back to the shop. Let's go. Car season is back. Boxer GTS is all finished up. It came out really, really good. So we did a full front end wrap on it. Didn't do the headlights. We did the rocker panel kit, so film running across here, the top here. We got the bottoms wrapped here, or behind the rear wheels wrapped as well. Fully tucked around the corner here, so it's all protected from rock chips. And then we ceramic coated the vehicle. So I hope you enjoy it. A beautiful blue color. With that being said, we will see you guys in the next video next Friday. Stay tuned. We got some really, really fun cars coming. Take care.